ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, now we discuss some equations, that means solve the equations in different methods. Solve x square plus y square is equal to 74 and xy is equal to 35. xy is equal to 35. Here, I think you know x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. 2xy. X square plus y square is 74 plus 2 times of xy is 35. That is equal to 74 plus 70. That is 144. This is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. So x plus y is equal to root of 1, that is plus or minus 12. Plus or minus 12. That is x plus y is equal to plus 12 is one equation, and x plus y is equal to minus 12, this is one equation. And also x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now x square plus y square is 74 minus 2 times of xy 35. xy is 35. So this is 74 minus 70, that is 4. This is x minus y whole square, implies x minus y is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2, x minus y. That is x minus y is equal to plus 2, one equation, and x minus y is equal to minus 2, one equation. One equation. Now solve the equations. Solve the equation. That means case 1, I am taking if x plus y is equal to plus 12 and x minus y is equal to plus 2. X plus y is equal to plus 12, I am taking this one, and x minus y is equal to plus 2. Now solving these two, I am adding these two. So these two gets cancel. 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. X equal to 14 by 2, 7. Now, since substituting the value, since x plus y is equal to 12 and x is equal to 7 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. That is 5. Therefore, in this case, x and y, x comma y values are 7 and 5. X comma y values 7 and 5. Whether your answer is right or wrong, just verify. X plus y is equal to 12. X plus y is 12, is not 15. X plus y is equal to 12, 7 plus 5, that is 12, and 7 minus 5, that is 2. So this is 1. If you take case 2, Case 2 means what? If x plus y equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to minus 2. X minus y equal to minus 2. This is other way. Again solving these two. By adding these two gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. X is 5. And since x plus y is equal to 12, x value 5. 5 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 minus 5, that is 7. That is 7. So in this case, x comma y is 5 comma 7. 5 comma 7. Right now? Next one, case 3, if you take x plus y is equal to minus 12 and x minus y equal to 2, x minus y equal to plus 2. Again adding these two, y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to minus 12 plus 2, that is minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 by 2 minus 5. X value is minus 5. And since x plus y is equal to minus 12, so this is minus 5 plus y is equal to minus 12. Minus 12. Y is equal to minus 12 plus 5, that is equal to minus 7. Now in this case, x and y values are minus 5 comma minus 7. Minus 5 comma minus 7. X plus y is equal to minus 12. X value minus 5, y value minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, which is equal to RHS. Next one, case 4. If x plus y is equal to minus 12 and x minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Again in the same way, these two gets cancelled. By adding these two, 2x is equal to minus 12 minus 2, minus 14. X is equal to minus 7. Minus 14 by minus 7. And since x plus y is equal to minus 12, x is minus 7 plus y is equal to minus 12. Y is equal to minus 12. Take that side, that becomes plus. That is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. So, x comma y is equal to minus 7 comma minus 5 in this case. So, once again I repeat, these fundamental mathematics are very important. You don't worry about the further topics. because if you are strong in these areas, you are able to solve the questions very easily. Now all of you know the situation. This is a COVID situation. Please cooperate and do according to your convenience. I think once again I repeat, reading makes a ready man, but writing makes an exact man. You need more practice. Then only you are able to solve the problems. Already I told that while we are teaching, you are able to follow everything. But the greatest thing is what? If you are confident. When you are confident, just that is a practice. Just I want to teach one or two problems for this model, and then I have given some problems, practice problems. That is very, very important thing. I am giving some problems. We have to solve each and every problem. Each and every problem. I don't want to give the different methods because you are the kids. Recently you have to complete your 10th class. That's why just we are going for very slowly at the beginning. So while I am teaching one problem, just I will give you the supporting problem which you are able to solve it. That is compulsory. Please cooperate, students. Next one is second type of problem. If x square plus y square is equal to 185 and x plus y is equal to 17. X plus y equal to 17. Now solve. So there is an equation x plus y is equal to 17. If we have another equation, it is simple to solve the equation. Now this one x plus y whole square is equal to 17 square. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 17 square is 289. X square plus y square is 185 plus 2xy is equal to 289. So this is 2xy is equal to 289 minus 185. 185. So this is 4 and this is 0, this is 104. Therefore xy is equal to 104 by 2, that is 52. xy values. xy values. So xy is equal to 52 and x plus y is 70. Now I am considering x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square equal to this, you write x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Already I discussed this identities in algebraic identities. These are useful everywhere. So this is how to get it means what? I discuss all these models in algebraic identities. That's why the fundamental mathematics is that plays an important role. So x plus y is what? This is 17 whole square minus 4 into xy. xy is 52. Therefore this is 289 minus this is 208. That is equal to 81. So this is x minus y whole square equal to, implies x minus y is equal to plus or minus 9. So that is x plus y, x minus y. That is x minus y is equal to plus 9, one equation, and x minus y equal to minus 9 is one equation. But here x plus y equal to 17 is the only one equation. Only one equation. Now I am solving equations. X plus y is equal to plus 17 and x minus y is equal to plus 9, solving these two equations. By adding these two gets cancelled, 2x is equal to here this is 26, 17 plus 9, that is 26. X is equal to 26 by 2, that is 13. Now x plus y is equal to 17 and x value 13 plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to 17 minus 13, that is 4. Therefore, x comma y in this, where x is 13 and y is 4. Y value is 4. X comma y. If you take second one means what? X plus y is only one equation. And second one is, if x plus y is equal to plus 17 and x minus y is equal to minus 9. X minus y equal to minus 5. Again solving these two equations by adding plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 17 minus 9, that is 8. X is equal to 4. X value 4 and x plus y is equal to 17. So 4 plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to 17 minus 4, that is 13. So in this case x comma y is equal to 4 comma 13. 4 comma 13. So you have some doubts which you are not able to ask in this process. Sir, I am doing one way. We know the value of x plus y and xy value is 52. I want to write y is equal to 52 by I want to write 52 by x. I want to substitute here. That means what? X square plus y square. Y square is 52 by x whole square. Whole square is equal to 185. This is a lengthy one. But it is also correct one, but 52 whole square. And then you get a fourth degree equation by factorizing. It is a little bit lengthy, so you have to go for that process. And also, one person asks, sir, without finding xy values, I want to write y is equal to 17 minus x. y equal to 17 minus x, and x square plus y square is 17 minus x whole square is equal to 185. 185. So this is also a correct, this is also a correct one. Then simplification, x has two values, x values. For that related y value, this is also correct one. But what I am saying is this process compared to that is it depends on the problems. If the numbers are very simple, you go through this process. Anyway, you have to do this method little bit, you will get some practice. Now, just you try these problems, solve. X square plus y square is equal to 89. Xy is equal to 40. X square plus y square is equal to 170. Xy equal to 13. X square plus y square is equal to 65 and xy is equal to 28. And x square plus y square is equal to 178 and x plus y is equal to 16. X square plus y square is equal to 125 and x plus y is equal to 15. And x square plus y square is equal to 180, x minus y is equal to 6. X square plus y square is equal to 185, x minus y is equal to 3. Now solve these. First three problems just like first one model, and the next four problems second one model. If you are strong enough in the previous sum, you are able to solve. Check your capability. Check your capability whether you are able to solve the problem or not. Sir, what is the answer? You are asking. Just simple. After finding the x and y values, suppose x value your answer is 4, y value is 10, x into y is 40. You have to self check. So try these sums. See, observe that, just to see this question, and both are similar here. That means in this case, you have to consider x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy plus 4xy. But the previous sum is what I discussed, x plus y is given. There we have to find x minus y. In this one, x plus y is given. Now we have to consider x plus y whole square. I think it is, the value is there. This is, okay. So x square plus y square next to different model. solve x cube minus y cube is equal to 999 and x minus y is equal to 3. So this is second one, the first one. X cube minus y cube is equal to 999. X minus y is equal to 3. Now you consider first one by second one. First one is x cube minus y cube by second one is x minus y equal to 999 by 3. You know the formula of a cube minus b cube form. A cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube form? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula. Now this is x cube minus y cube, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square by x minus y is equal to, so this is 333. So these two gets cancelled. So x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 333. So this is one equation. This is one equation. This is called it third one. And x minus y is equal to 3. Now I am squaring on both sides this equation. X minus y whole square equal to 9. So this is x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 9. 2xy equal to 9. So this is, let it be, fourth equation. Now you write third equation minus fourth equation. What about third one? X square or write plus xy plus y square is equal to 333. And the fourth one is x square. I want to write minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 9 by subtracting these two. So this becomes minus, this is plus, and this is minus. This is also minus. X square gets cancelled. Xy plus 2xy. So this is a 3xy, and these two gets cancelled is equal to 333 minus 9. That is equal to here. So this is 324. By subtracting, that is 324. Therefore, xy is equal to 324 by 3. 324 by 3, which is equal to, so this is 108. Xy is equal to 108. Just repeat once. X cube minus y cube is given. X minus y is given. I am considering first equation by second equation. So this get this equation. And from 2, second one, x minus y whole square equal to. Now again, so these from 3 and 4, subtracting 3 and 4, you will get xy. Therefore, xy is equal to 108. Write down. Okay. So again from this one, there is a routine process. we know the value of x minus y and also xy. Now we can consider x plus y whole square is equal to, this is x minus y whole square plus 4xy. These are all algebraic identities. So this is 9, 3 square is 9 plus 4 into 108, that equal to 9 plus this is 432, that equal to 441. So this is x plus y whole square. So x plus y is equal to root of 441 is 21. So x plus y is plus or minus 21. Plus or minus 21. So if you take plus sign, if x plus y is equal to plus 21, already x minus y, you know the value, x minus y is equal to 3. So solving these two, 2x is equal to 24, x equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. So x comma y values 12 comma 3. Like if x plus y is equal to minus 21 and x minus y value same, x minus y equal to 3. So again adding these two, so these gets cancelled, 2x is equal to minus 18, x is equal to minus 18 by 2, that is minus 9, and x plus y is equal to x plus y. Oh, sorry, you have small. X equal to there 12, and since x plus y is equal to 21, x value 12 plus y is equal to 21, implies y is equal to 9. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 12 comma 9, that one. So x plus y is equal to minus 21. So this is minus 9 plus y is equal to minus 21, y equal to minus 21 plus 9 plus 9, that is equal to minus 12. So in this x comma y values, x value minus 9, y value is minus 12. Simple thing, whether your answer is correct or right or wrong, just verification. What is x value in this one? 12, 9. Adding x plus y equal to 21, correct. And x minus y, 12 minus 9, 3. 3 equal to 3. So that is your answer is correct. Next one, in the second problem, the third one, that is the same model. Solve x cube plus y cube is equal to 407 and x plus y is equal to 11. So let this is first one and this is second one. In the same process, previous sum is given x cube plus minus y cube, but the only difference is x cube plus y cube. And here it is, previous one is x minus y, but it is given x plus y. Same process. So again, this is first one by second one. So x cube plus y cube by x plus y is equal to 407 by 11. 407 by 11. A cube plus b cube, x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Sorry, it is minus y square by x plus y is equal to 407 by 11. So these two gets cancelled. This is x square minus xy plus y square is equal to this is 11 3s are 33, 7 7 that is 37. That equal to 37. This is let it be third one. And x plus y whole square is equal to x plus y, this one from 2, from second equation, squaring on both sides is equal to 11 square, that is 121. That is x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 121. This is fourth one. Solving, so for 4, what is fourth one? X square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 121. And this one, third one, x square from 3 and 4. 3 and 4, x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 37. 37. So by subtracting these two, this is minus, this is plus, minus, minus. So these two cancel and these two cancel. 2xy plus xy, this is 3xy is equal to 121 minus 37. So this is 11 4 and it is 84. Therefore, xy is equal to 84 by 3. That equal to 2 times. That is 2 times 6, 8. Xy equal to 38. Xy is equal to 28. So, xy is equal to 28. And we are having x plus y is equal to 11. Now you can consider x minus y whole square is equal to, just to consider x minus y whole square equal to, this is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. What is x plus y? 11. So this is 11 square minus 4 into 28. 121 minus this is 32. So that is 112. That is equal to, subtracting the value is 9. So this is x minus y whole square equal to. So x minus y equal to plus or minus 3. X minus y equal to plus or minus 3. That is, there are two equations, x minus y equal to plus 3 and x minus y equal to minus 3. Write down. Now, if x minus y is equal to plus 3, x plus y is 11. 11. By adding these two gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7. 14 by 2, that is 7. And x plus y is equal to 11. X is 7. 7 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus y. 11. Y is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4. So, x comma y values, so this is 7 comma 4. 7 comma 4. If x minus y is equal to minus 3, minus 3. And x plus y is equal to 11. So, x plus y. Again, by adding 2x is equal to, so 11 minus 3, that is 8. X is equal to 4. X equal to 4. And x plus y is equal to